definitely going in the video for sure. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tristan Tanner, part of Team Latitude 64. Today, if you haven't followed me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me. It's down here. That's where you can see what I do in the days. I post a lot of stories, a lot of posts there, so be sure to check that out. But I hiked 2 14ers today. If you don't know what that is, that's 2 hikes over 14,000 feet. I hiked Mount Belford and Mount Oxford right next to each other. It was around 11 miles and like over 6,000 feet elevation gain. So a brutal day, but I'm really tired, and I decided that it might be good for you guys all to see how I am gonna play around when I am absolutely exhausted. It's a skill that you need to be able to do because sometimes you're just tired on the course and you need to fight through. So I'm here at my home course, Loomiller Park, and I'm gonna be playing 9 holes and just seeing how well I can shoot. Let's go right into the video. Alrighty, hole 1 is just past the water, underneath that tree right there. I'm gonna be throwing a VIP metallic harp on a hyzer. This next hole just follows the sidewalk and is on the right side. I'm throwing my signature line pure. Hole 3 is 340 feet just up on the top of the hill. I'm going to go forehand with the Pioneer. Hole 4 is 400 feet just past these pine trees in the middle of the fairway. I'm going to be throwing my new 2020 Tour Fundraiser stamp on an Explorer on a flat to hyzer line. Hole 5 is 270 feet. You might be able to see it through the gap here, but I'm going to be throwing this forehand shot down the left side with a Justice. Hole 6 is 330 feet. I'm gonna again throw my signature line, Gold Line Pure, down the middle. The basket is just behind that big pine tree. That's a putt. Hole 7 is 350 feet. There is the mound with the 3 trees, and it's just past that, probably by 50 feet. I'm going to be throwing a Gold Line Pioneer on just like this flat and just letting it fade over the top. Hole Hole 8 is a pretty easy hyzer. I'm going to be throwing the VIP metallic harp and just letting it wide and letting it fade. Oh, sick. I love this disc.
Nice.
Thank you.
Yeah, no,
I appreciate that a lot.
of course.
Yes. I've been really missing this one. Thank you. Okay. Hole 9, it's just following the road, and then to the right a little bit, I'm going to be throwing a forehand with the Pioneer.
But seriously, that's so good. It's so clean. It's all day. It's all day.
All day. It's definitely going in the video for sure. So I managed to shoot 6 under par, which is totally great after doing the hike I did today. I honestly wasn't expecting to play that well, but my throw felt great. My putt felt pretty good. I missed a couple short ones, but it's fine. 6 under is a great score. Thank you guys for all tuning into the video. Again, check out my Instagram. It'll be linked in the description and somewhere here on the screen, just so you can see what I do more in the day and be updated on some other things. But for now, thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next video.